Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to install Windows 11 on my decade-old machine with 4GB RAM. Before I go any further, let me check the minimum specification for this new operating system. Okay, the recommended is 4GB RAM and 1GHz processor. I just have 4GB RAM on my machine, so let's see if I will have any problems upgrading my childhood machine. If you want to upgrade your machine, make sure you have your administrator password of the computer. Now navigate to the ISO file location. Just double click on it so it gets mounted as virtual disk. Open this virtual disk and run the setup. This way you don't need a thumb drive. You will get an authentication prompt. Just click yes. Then the setup starts. While the installer is setting up, I wanted to show you my computer specification and the version of Windows I'm using. Since my machine is running at full capacity, the recording software just skipped to record my screen properly. Installer is checking for updates in storage, and of course you need at least 8GB free space on your C drive. To free some space, check the video available on the card. It's ready to install. At this stage, many users got an error like this. Check the link in the description to fix the error. My current operating system is Windows 10 Pro, so it wants to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro, and I want to keep both the personal files and apps. You can also change what you want to keep. Let me show you options. First option is to keep both personal files and apps. Next, you can keep personal files only. And lastly, it installs as a new operating system. I have selected the first option. Let me click install now. Okay, it restarted a few times. Here you go, the new setting up screen. Almost there, and there we have it. Windows 11 operating system is installed successfully on my machine. The upgrade also saved all my personal settings like the wallpaper. Okay, let me change it to something more colorful. Yep, looks good. All my data is retained too. Okay, now that it's successfully installed, let's see if the computer has any activation errors. Good, no problems here. Let me show the configuration of my machine. The RAM is 4GB and the operating system is upgraded to Windows 11 Pro without any hiccups. From what we see, Windows 11 runs on a decade-old machine with 4 gigs of RAM. If you have Windows 10 Pro, it upgrades to Windows 11 Pro, and likewise for home versions. We also understand that it's a free upgrade for Windows 7, 8 and Windows 8.1 operating systems. And that's it guys, please like my video if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of Windows 11 OS. Peace!